Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make an eternal sugar cookie in Gacha Life 2. First, open the Gacha Life 2 app and navigate to the character creation screen. Select an empty character slot to begin your sweet creation. Choose a light, warm skin tone to perfectly capture the essence of a baked sugar cookie. Adjust the character's height to a medium setting, ensuring a balanced and appealing look for your edible friend. Now let's design the cookie's face. Pick large, round eyes to give your character an adorable and innocent expression, just like a classic sugar cookie. Opt for a small, simple mouth that conveys sweetness without being overly complex. Don't forget to add a touch of blush to the cheeks. This gives your eternal sugar cookie a warm, freshly baked glow, making it even more inviting and charming. For the outfit, we're going for an icing effect. Dress your character in a simple, white or light-colored dress to represent the smooth, sweet icing on top of the cookie. Next, get creative with accessories or patterns to simulate colorful sprinkles. Think small, scattered elements in bright hues. Finally, add a small, decorative bow in a complementary color to give your eternal sugar cookie a charming and complete look, ready for any gacha adventure. To finalize your eternal sugar cookie, select a cheerful and inviting pose that truly highlights all the adorable design elements you've added. Choose a bright, simple background that allows your cookie character to stand out without any distractions. This ensures your creation is the star of the show. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Your eternal sugar cookie is now ready to bring sweetness to your Gacha Life 2 world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.